Hey everyone, Austin here from Currie Motors, and I have a special Bronco for you. This is a Currie Custom Mario Special, and we're going to take a deep dive into this. Let's take a look. All right, this is a 2022 Ford Bronco Not So Base. We fully customized this here with Currie Customs at Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort, and it looks gorgeous. Very subtle-ish accents we did to the whole thing, but it fully transformed the look of this Bronco, and I absolutely love it. This might be one of my favorites we've done so far. So let's dive right into it. So kicking it off is this awesome bucking Bronco logo. Check this out. Nice logo in the space here. It looks great. I like that we have the horse instead of it just having like a little Bronco badge or something there. It looks really neat. Now you can see right above it, we have this nice vinyl graphic going all the way down here, leading into the Bronco. I like when they say the word Bronco in the vinyl graphic along the back. You can see this gray undertone, giving it some depth to the words. Even the gray pinstriping underneath of the mountains as we go all the way down. Now we'll take a look at these wheels here. These are 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. Now these things are fantastic. They look great. They're wrapped around an 18-inch wheel here. Now notice the accent here right in the center. We have a Bronco logo in the center cap there. That's fantastic. You know, one of a kind right here with that. Now let's go over here to the front. And we have the nice bull bar right there with the 24-inch LED light bar. But check out the Bronco logo. Now, I love the base Broncos because they have the black lettering on it. But check out the hand-painted graphics we did on here. Gave it this nice gray tone on top of it, kind of like a rougher look. It looks fantastic with the silver of the Bronco. Now, when we come over here, sun's on this, so you can take a look. This is one of those U-step running boards over here. I think it looks super mean, super tough, and it can kind of act as a little bit of a rock rail there. You can see it's a nice steel material there. Fantastic look on that. Now, as we come around to the back, you know, you have that nice, huge fifth wheel on the back. Now, as we come around to the side, you have the capless fuel system. Now, you do have the Ford Pass app to allow you to unlock, lock, auto start the car from anywhere in the world. But let's check out this interior. This is gorgeous. It is black diamond pattern leather with gray stitching throughout. So it looks fantastic. Look at this. That's gorgeous. You have it in the back, over here. Now, we did tint all the windows, as you can see as I was walking around. It's nice and blacked out. We also added the heated seats in here. So you have these heated seat buttons right there in the center, right below your lockable center storage area. And you also have your light bar switch right here, on, off. Absolutely love this. Now, this is for sale here, Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort. Come in, ask us, take a look for a ride, take a look at it, come just by and take some pictures of it. This is for sale right now here at Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort. If you're looking to customize your vehicle, check out Mario here at Currie Customs. He'll help you out.